Yo, what is up everybody? It's Jack here. I'm a Shopify developer here at Section Store, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a before and after section, just like these examples here, to any of your Shopify themes, a free one or a paid one, in just a couple of minutes. So as you can see, these before and after examples that I've created, these are actually all the same section within Shopify, just customized differently, so you have a ton of control over how you set this section up. These sections can be added to any theme. Like I said, they install in a couple of minutes. They don't have any subscription or coding that you have to do, and you don't have to pay for a developer. So for this process, I'm going to be using the Section Store app. The Section Store app's a component library of over 500 different theme sections that you can add into any theme in Shopify. The sections are all liquid code, just like the rest of your themes, so they're not going to slow down the page. Today, I'm looking for before/after image 10, but as the name implies, there's 9 other before and after image sections, so if you don't like the styling of this one, you can look through the app and find another one that you like. If we click into the section, you can see that it's a one-time charge of $9, but right here it's never recurring. So once you buy the section, you own it forever and you can use it as many times as you want. Once you've gone ahead and purchased the sections, head over here to My Sections on the left-hand side. You'll see all of your purchase sections, and you can hit Add to Theme and add them to any of your themes in a single click. Now the section's installed in the theme, head on over to the theme editor, hit Add Section, search for before and after image 10 and add it into the theme. Here's an example section that I set up earlier. So to start off customizing these sections, we want to click on the section name, and on the right hand side it will show you the overall section settings. So anything that we change here is going to apply to everything in the section. As you can see, these are all super customizable. There's hundreds of settings, and what's really great about these sections, as you can see here, is there's customization for both desktop and mobile, so you can adjust the view depending on which device your customer's viewing from. So starting at the top, we have a title section, which will be this title here. You have the option to add a custom font. You have font sizes on desktop and mobile, and then alignment settings. Moving down, we have settings for the cards, so these displays here, how many you want to show per row on desktop and mobile, the gap between the cards, the margin on the top and bottom of the cards. You also have corner rounding and alignment for the cards too. Next, we move down to the image, so the overlay of the image, if you want portrait, square, landscape, or original images, again for desktop and mobile. We have a custom font size, line height, padding, and roundness for all of the subtitles, again desktop and mobile, and then we have title settings here as well. The next settings are the toggles wrapper, so this before and after toggle here, again much of the same, padding, customization, roundness. You have the toggle, if you want it to be set to before or after, you can change the text if you want it to say something different, again custom fonts, desktop and mobile, roundness, border thickness, etc. And then right at the bottom here, just like a regular theme section, you have all of your colors, so you can go on and change the colors of everything independently to get this matching up to either how you've designed it or bring it in line with your brand colors. Once you've gone through and customized all the settings and the overall section settings, we can move back over here to the left-hand side and start customizing the individual blocks. So I'm going to click on the first block here, and this is going to correspond to the first card in the section. So as you can see, we have 2 image upload functionalities. One is for the before image and one is for the after image. You then have a subtitle, which shows up on the card, and then a title as well. You repeat this process for all 4 cards, or however many it is that you want to add. Again, adding a before and an after image, a subtitle and a title. These are styled in the main section settings. And then once you've completed this process, you have your 4 before and after images with all the styling that you've applied. You can check the view on mobile and then head up to the top right-hand corner and hit save. And there you have it. That's a quick and easy process how you can add a theme section just like these ones for a before and after image to any of your Shopify themes in only a couple of minutes. These sections are great because they have hundreds of easy-to-use customization options. The customizations are like a regular Shopify section, so you're probably already familiar with them, but there's a lot more of them. You can customize independently for desktop and mobile. They're liquid code like your theme, so they're not going to slow down the page, and you can install them anywhere. The price, as I mentioned, is also a one-time charge, so you pay the $9, you own it forever, and you can use it as many times as you want and as many themes as you want in the same store. If you have any questions about this section in particular or any of the other sections, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, keep an eye on both this channel and our app as we release multiple new sections every single day.